Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I thought it'd be fun to do a little summer to fall transition makeup glam. I'm thinking summer on the eyes and like a bold fall lip. It's going to be a mixture of high-end and drugstore products. It's going to be light coverage. We're going to have some glowy skin going on, bronze, because even though summer is coming to an end, we still love a glowy, bronzy skin. If you're interested to see how it turns out, continue to watch this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And let's jump right into the look. So for the eyes, I'm going to do a little bit of a pop of color that I think will be really nice to transition into fall. I'm going to be using the Mint to Be palette from Colourpop. I've never used this, but the colors are so pretty. Like, look at all of those beautiful greens. I'm going to go ahead and dive into Demente, which is this pretty green color here, if it would focus. Yeah, this color here, and blend that into my crease. The next color I decided to go into was Ice Cold, and I just placed that all over my lid as well as mixed it in with the crease shade from before. And I'm also just going to do that on the other eye. So this came out more blue and bolder than I thought it would because I wanted it to be more green, but that's okay, we're gonna work with it. I'm gonna create a wing liner with the eyeshadow color Chill Factor, which is a like gray green kind of color. Hopefully it works. I really did have a different look in mind, but and then I'm just gonna smudge it out. Last thing I'm going to do for the eyes is add a shimmer on top. I don't really know which color shimmer I want to do. I'll give you guys a swatch. So starting from the bottom of the swatches, this one is Mint Tea. I hope I'm pronouncing them right. This one is Play It Cool. Then we have Mojito Mommy, and then Freshman. So I don't really know which one I want to go in with for the lid shade. I'm kind of thinking this one because it kind of gives off a monochrome vibe to like gold, and this one is Freshman. I think I'm gonna go with that one. I think I'm gonna take my finger, go into Freshman. Ooh, that's pretty. That looks so good. And then I think in the middle I'm going to put Mojito Mommy, because it's a lighter green right in the center there. Alright, so I just topped that off with Play It Cool in the center, and I think that looks a lot better because it shows up a little bit more. This look came out more bolder than I thought and intended to, but that's okay. I like a bold eye, and then we can keep the base light coverage. And this is all she wrote for the eyes. For mascara, I layered two different ones. I did the BareMinerals Strength and Length Serum Infused Mascara along with the Maybelline the Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. I don't like to use false lashes anymore. I like my regular eyelashes, so I just like to layer my mascaras together to get like that falsies effect. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my base. We're gonna prime starting off with the Master Blur Stick from Maybelline. I mean, nothing new. We love this foundation stick. Not foundation stick. This primer stick really blurs out my pores, and I just like put it all over my T-zone. Are you guys feeling the ponytail? I really like this color. I've had my hair this color a couple years ago, like just like an ombre effect on my real hair, but this ponytail is super nice. I like how it looks on me. It looks so pretty. I don't know what we're gonna name her though. What are we gonna name this look with the ponytail? I'm thinking Chelsea. I feel like it's giving off Chelsea vibes. For the other primer, I'm gonna use the Too Faced HangeRX primer. I kind of do like this primer. It does have skincare benefits to it. It feels like a moisturizer, which I am all about. I'm also going to spot conceal using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the color Caramel. I want to say I need to find a new concealer, but if it ain't broke, don't fix it. This concealer always pulls through for me, and it lasts all day. Like, I don't even have to set it with powder, and it gives really good coverage without foundation. So I mean, I might try new things. Not that I haven't been already. I've already been trying new ones, but I always go back to this one. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. brush to blend it out. I really like this sponge. Not this sponge. I really like this brush. I'm gonna have to get like a couple more. And it also has a side for concealer too, which is perfect. So I'm gonna use that other side to blend under the eyes, around the nose for more precision, and like around my mouth as well. The next face product I'm going to use is the GloWish Multidew Skin Tint by Huda Beauty in the color 09 Extra Tan. I haven't used this in a while, but I love it. It gives such a nice glow to the face. I just like to take about that much on the back of my hand and just like, even that's a lot, and blend her outwards. And just look how pretty she is over the skin. Gives you a really nice glow from within. And you can also mix it in with your foundation as well. I'm now going to spray my face using what I have left of the Smashbox primer water. And then I'm going to use a sponge. When that is mostly dry, I'm going to use a sponge and press the products into my skin. That way it'll last longer throughout the day. I do this mainly because I don't like to set my face with powder. I know, but I think it looks so much prettier without the powder. I just feel like cakey and dry using a powder to set my face. So I take these steps to not have to use powder. I'm gonna mix medium and caramel together for my highlight shade for my T-zone area. And I need another, oh, I was supposed to brighten up the under eyes first. It's okay. And then I'm gonna mix that with a tiny bit of medium. And then using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer Sponge, I am going to blend this out. As we blend, we can shape out that wing as well. I'm going to use a cream blush today. It's going to be the e.l.f. Putty Blush in the color, it's not Turks and Caicos, I don't think. I think it's Bali. I'll have to look it up and come back because it doesn't have a name on it, but it's this really pretty dark burgundy berry color, and I really like it. I think it would be perfect for this like transition into fall from summer. So I'm just gonna place some on the back of my hand, and then I'm gonna take this Japanesque 962 brush, dab it all over and apply it to my cheek. Like I said, I don't like to set my face with powder. I'm only going to do the under eyes using the e.l.f. Perfect Finish HD powder. You already know this is my favorite setting powder. I'm going to use that sponge again and press the powder under the eyes. And then I will go like around my nose with it as well. And then my smile lines, but that's it. Next, I'm going to bronze using the GloWish Soft Radiance Bronzing Powder in the color 04 Deep Tan. If bronzer is one of your favorite complexion products, definitely check out this one from GloWish. It's super pretty, and only if you like red undertones in your bronzers as well, because I feel like they do consist of only like red undertones, but definitely check it out yourself. Alright, I don't know what I want to do with the under eyes, if I want to like smoke it out. I don't know. I think first what I'm going to do is take the Menthe. I hope, listen, I'm very sorry for butchering the names, but it's the first initial transition shade that we use, and I'm going to use that on the lower lash line first. Let's layer top seltzer and see what that looks like. Okay, that's nice. Okay, that looks kind of good. What do we think? Are we feeling it? Well, I mean, it's too late to do anything about it now because it's already on. But I'm gonna go get a black eyeliner and then we'll be done with the eyes. And just put that on the waterline real quick. Last few steps, I'm going to do the lips. I have a couple options here, but I'm going to line my lips first with the e.l.f. Retro Paradise lip liner in the color 03. Are these like permanent shades? Because I like this color and I'm scared for it to run out and they don't have any on the site. So either someone needs to let me know that this shade is a permanent lip color, or e.l.f. needs to do something about that and make this a permanent color. Please and thank you. Someone let me know. If anyone on the e.l.f. team sees this, holler at your girl. Nude 03. I need to know if this is a permanent lip liner color because I can't not have it in my life anymore. Okay, so we got lip color options. Not really sure which one I want to go into. And I mean, I'm gonna ask you guys, but it's not like you can answer me at this moment in time. So we have NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment in the color Done It Again. These are my favorite liquid lipsticks. I don't wear liquid lipsticks anymore, but when I do, it's a NARS one. So this is the color for NARS. So what do we think about that color for the eyes? I'm kind of feeling it. Maybe something a little bit of a more red undertone to it. Maybe, we'll see. Option number 2 is the Maybelline, I don't even know what this is called. I think it's their color Sensational lipsticks. This one is in the color Raw Chocolate. It is a matte lipstick formula that looks like this. I actually really like this, but I think I used it for a center color. Yeah, no, this one's out. It's too light. You see it here? That will not, I mean, with the lip liner, it actually might go, but I think it has too much of a pink undertone. I'm looking for something more like this for fall, so maybe we'll pass on that today. But we also have one more. This is from Fenty Beauty. It is their Mademoiselle lipsticks in the color Shoddy. What do we think? This one, or this one? This one's really dark, which I don't mind. I mean, with this one I can always just wipe off if I don't like it. Let's try this one first, the Fenty. Oh wait. It's kind of giving me Christmas vibes. Oh, that's really nice though. Oh wait, I'm torn. I feel like it's not enough. I feel like it's not enough. I think I'm gonna go in with this one. I'm just gonna dive right in. Diving in with the lip pigment. Oh yeah, yeah. I should have followed my gut. This is the color that the girls needed. And because, like I said, I don't use powder, I'm gonna go in with 2 sprays. The first one is going to be a refresher. It's gonna revive the face a little bit more. This is from Wet n Wild, the Photo Focus 3-in-1 primer water. And then I'm going to use another primer water, but this one sets the face as well. It is the, again, the Smashbox primer water. So that completes this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I really like how this look turned out. I'm very shocked about the eyes. I didn't expect it to be this bold, but I'm not complaining. It looks really, really good. And I think this is like the perfect transition from summer to fall makeup if you want to go like super bold with the lip, give it a little fall vibe, but you don't want summer to end too fast and you're not over it. A pop of color on the eye and you are good to go. Also, let me know what else you would like to see on my channel, fashion wise, styling wise, what pieces you would like me to style, what kind of hauls you want to see, any makeup videos you guys want to see as well. Again, natural coverage, lightweight coverage is what I'm about here on my channel. So if you're into that, I think you should definitely subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.